Hi everyone. In this video we are going to encrypt our files using C#, so others can't access to your content in this files. Let's get started. Click on File, New, Project. First we need to create a new project. I name it File Encoding. Here we have a form in Start. We can design it how we want. But if you did not use Visual Studio yet, don't worry, say me in the comments and I may upload video about it. Now click on the toolbar and click on the pin button to have it in right side. We need to get a file from user. So we need a button. Let's drag it on our form. And we can use a text box for path. And another button for encrypting. Now right-click on the button and click on the properties. Then click on the pin icon to have it in right side. Find the text and change the value of it. And now do it for other button and I change it to choose file. To add a click event for button, double click on it. OK. Now we have the source of our button click event. We need to open a file dialog to choose our file. I create a open file dialog called dialog and initialize it. Now open a dialog with show dialog method. So let's put the file path gotten from file dialog into text box. Let's test it. Now you see the chosen file path is inside the text box. Double-click on the Hide File button to set an event for it. We need to read a file. So we need to import IO library. Create a file stream and initialize it like this. Now create a byte array for read the file inside array. Create a for loop to change the content of array. Create a math function to do our math functions on it. I did it simple for now, but you can make it complex for more security. And you should convert it to byte as return. We can choose a file extension for hidden files. I use .hide, but you use what you want. Save the bytes inside the result. Close the file streams and flush the result to save changes. Let's test it. The size of our content inside hidden file is equals with size of our content before. So it's working well. Let's create decode function. Drag another button and change its text to show file. Copy the code of other button and paste it here. Create a function to calculate it back and name it to math. Then you must the reverse of the operations did on the math function. For example, change plus with minus and change multiplication to division. For saving file, copy the code then paste it. But this time we don't need .hide extension. So remove it. And we also can create a if to check is selected file has .hide extension or not and show a message. Okay, now our code should work well. Let's test it. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to like video and subscribe to my channel.